When you step on the gas and feel the back of the car squat down while the front end seems to lighten up as you accelerate, you are likely experiencing the classic sensation of a rear-wheel drive vehicle. In this setup, the engine sends all of its power to the two wheels at the back of the car, while the front wheels are left with the sole responsibility of steering and directing the vehicle. It is a division of labor that enthusiasts love because it allows for much better balance and handling characteristics compared to front-wheel drive cars. The journey of that power starts at the engine and moves through the transmission before traveling down a long metal tube called a driveshaft. From there, it enters the differential between the rear wheels, which then splits that power to push the car forward. Because the engine is usually mounted longitudinally, or front to back, it allows for a more even weight distribution across the entire frame. This is why you see rear-wheel drive used so often in high-performance sports cars and heavy-duty trucks. It provides superior traction when you are accelerating hard or towing a heavy trailer because the weight naturally shifts toward the back where the power is being applied. While most everyday economy cars use front-wheel drive because it is cheaper to build and better in the snow, rear-wheel drive remains the king of the track and the open road for anyone who prioritizes a sporty connected driving experience. It gives you a level of control and a feeling of being pushed along the road that you just cannot get from any other configuration, making every corner and every straightaway feel a lot more engaging for the person behind the wheel.